Hey guys, Nate with Lakeview Home Improvement, owner and operator of the business. Started back in 2019. After many of years working in project management and logistics, I just felt like that business and the trades that I learned there and the knowledge about project management worked well in the contracting world. What I didn't like about the contracting world is just all the poor customer service and just the negative connotation that comes right along with just what people think about with contractors. So I started my business here with that project management background, hoping to be a better, more transparent solution for people that are looking for someone to come in and full turnkey experience a better overall product and something that they can really just appreciate more, that there's a team that comes in and a production process paired with it to get the best results. That's the primary reason I started my business. I think we do a really good job. Obviously, transparency is huge, and for me and my wife, when we talked about doing some of the things at our home, there was just some details that we were unaware of, and knowing now how homeowners deal with those issues, it's just a really good feeling to be able to look back at some of the project management experiences I had in logistics and pair those with the way that we operate now. So when I was thinking about our company missions and just what we want to be known for, it was super important to just dig deep on why someone would want to choose Lakeview Home Improvement. And again, I can't speak enough about just the benefit of being transparent. We believe that we're efficient in that, and we over-deliver in all aspects of our work. So when we start working on your home, every single spec is protected. We go through and put down ram board. We'll put up zip walls. Everything's kept clean and spotless when we leave the project at the end of the day. And all the details are pre-planned for on the front end, so that when we go into full production phase, there aren't a lot of hang-ups that could delay the timeline, so that we could stay on schedule, keep the commitment that we made to you, and just deliver on the most positive experience.